Boom! Galemalion, Pixar, Lucky Nadalio, me a clat to pick it, I'm rapido. Tell me how boy, we don't care how your body. Alright, welcome back to another video. You see, fresh plats. Me some fresh plats. Yeah man, feeling a dancer mood this morning. As y'all can see, and as y'all saw in yesterday's video, yesterday's trade, both TP1 and 2 for both entries got hit, smash up. Just like, well, not really just like the day before, because I closed this one earlier. And I ended up coming out this trade early as well till here, but still made a good profit off of it, regardless. $100 Today, we are fresh on the markets. Whatever happened yesterday happened, but I'm approaching the markets like I have a brand new balance, like I just deposit $10,618. So yeah, it's fresh. Everything is, I ain't coming in with yesterday's confidence, yesterday's weight, burden, stress, none of that. It's a fresh day, and I'm going back to not checking the trade section of my MT5. When you log into MT5 or you open your app, to the bottom of the way you can see trade, wait there right now. I ain't checking that. For the entire duration of this trade, I am not checking there. So we can see how this goes. I ain't even got the traders yet, but I'm watching the markets. Obviously, it's currently 9:30, and as you know, we look for trades at 9:30. I might just keep the camera rolling until I get a trade. But the thing about that is, I don't ever know when I'm gonna get a trade, so I can just keep this screen recorded, speed up the speed, so you can actually see how it is once the market is moving and when I'm making an entry, or at least identifying a trade, putting a pending order, whatever the case is. I'm gonna keep it recorded. This can be a very long ass recording, but I'll just speed it up. So. But come back and check in with y'all once I have that trade. Because honestly, I ain't even bid yet for the morning. What type of video y'all want I make when I ain't even fresh as well? So let me come back. Fresh as hell, wow. Let me come back and deal with y'all differently. Oh shoot. I forgot to have the video, but yeah. Alright, and we're back. Basically 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, this is how it's looking. I actually took a trade, but I didn't get a chance to come and open it on desktop. I was watching it on the laptop, and it was up the 5 minutes, which is not what I usually do in hindsight. But where is it? Oh, it was here. Yeah, right around. I took a small loss there. So I sent this out to the community as well, but it was a small loss, and it was also a reduced risk. So honestly, it wasn't too turned off or anything about it. In my opinion, I thought the price was going to go up, but we had a cruel tank. The one thing I am a bit disappointed about is that I missed the entry directly after, because I wasn't really looking for an entry, but if I was, I would have caught this one right here to the downside and could have easily doubled, tripled what we lost this morning. I only lost $36 or so. Good. So 618 to 584. That was $32. So let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, $33.80. So yeah, it was a small loss. That has to happen regardless. So honestly, I felt absolutely no way about it. I was about $10 on my live account, so very, very small loss. Risk was managed pretty well for this trade, and I didn't take any more trades for today. So it ended up being a pretty boring day. Not much excitement, but a trade nevertheless. I was against the side of momentum and liquidity, so you know the trend was not my friend. Anyhow, or I was not the trend to the friend today, because I was wrong. Anyhow, if you made it this far, it's gonna be a short video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next ones.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.